Hey, it's James. It's going to be really quick because I am burning up. The air was supposed to be on in this building. It's Saturday, and it's not. It's on in the main building, and I had texted one of the APs twice, and he said that he made a call and the air never came back on. Anyway, so on Monday was welcome back. So the principal kind of shared some news, but it was really interesting because it was this idea of home. So he had us jot down what home meant to us, and we pair shared with someone at a different table. And then there was another activity, but the whole point was, like think of your classroom as a home, make it feel like a home, etc. for you, but then also the students. I found that interesting considering what I'm doing this year, but then also how my room was set up last year. I had to go run to the library because I was part of the technology committee. We were doing presentations, and so I was doing a show and tell of how I set up my Canvas course. I was up first. I was one of the first people up, but teachers got to rotate and pick and choose, kind of conference style. After that, I just went to some other sessions there. It was all in the library, and then we had lunch. After lunch, I'm trying to remember, it was AVID training, and that was it. Tuesday was a district-wide by content area, so social studies teachers were at this campus. Science teachers, we had to go to another campus, and I actually was helping the curriculum specialist, who actually was my co-partner when I was at the district level, develop a kind of course, because here in Texas, some of the core content science areas, the standards were streamlined. Not really, there wasn't really that much change, at least in chemistry. It's just words were moved around, etc. And so that was half the day. So until about 11:30, I had an appointment. So if you follow me on Instagram, I had posted a story about that. Then after that, in the afternoon, I came here, and it was just time to your room again. Wednesday, I can't remember what we did Wednesday. I know there was like some training that we had to do. Wednesday it was interesting because then they also had us do like these rotations based on, I'm going blank, our evaluation system, our appraisal system. And so again, you got to pick and choose the sessions. I think I went to problem solving and critical thinking, and then classroom and environment, because one of the things that I'm trying to work on this year is for students to, beyond me knowing their level, for the students to know the level and pick and choose at their appropriate level, versus last year when students had opportunities to pick and choose, they would always go for like the easy one because they didn't want to be challenged, or they didn't want to put in the work based on what the more advanced assignment was. And so I'm really trying to push that this school year. Beyond that, we also had to have safety training. So some people from, I'm guessing, central office or the police department came down, and we went over like evacuation, things like that. And then Thursday and Friday was pretty much like in your room setting up. And so I came here to do some there was this thing that I wanted to construct, and I'm pretty excited the way it turned out, because I had this vision for a very long time, even before I came back into the classroom. And so it looks nice the way, but I'm going to do my classroom tour a little bit later. With that said, I'm going to end here because it's hot, and I am going to head home. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.
Do me a favor, if there was anything about this video that you liked, then make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and or share the video. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe so that way you can bond with James. As always, thanks for watching.